welcome to. Wait a minute. Is this build? What is that? Cause that's not a boat, and I think that's. I would take a guess and say a military base. What? Why do people not build anything but boats? Okay, I have a secret weapon. Yeah! Minicopter time. Yay, this is so much fun. Why is this actually so much fun? Wee, clock tower. Ooh, is this a swamp? Ooh, an actual swamp. Oh no. Oh, they missed. Ha ha ha. Why is this actually getting a bit boring? Ah! I blame them for this. Okay, why did I even do that? Why did I even change my position to the... Oh, wait, are they all teaming? Well, I know what to do. Because I'm going to try and build a boat. With only titanium, since it's actually pretty, and I mean pretty strong. I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to do it like this because it might turn into a literal car, but I don't really care. So, Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. I don't know how to build boats. But, wait, dang it, I have to use the other weapon since my build is not working. Car! Meet project number 100. It has miniguns, harpoons, and a magnet. And I still don't know what a magnet does. What's happening to it? Why does it look like I can't move? One side is partially upper than the others. Boom. I hate when people don't build boats. Plus I actually used hinges. Nope, that doesn't work. Too far. That should... Ow. This should be a while. Are those actually balls? I quit. Even though this build's cool, I quit it. What? I'm probably not gonna quit pirate business, but I'm gonna quit building boats. I only can not go to build a boat with recording, but I hope you stay tuned. I hope you will like the glitcher part 2, I guess. Oh wait, have a rejoin. Why does this always game break? I know you want to build something other than boats, but you don't have to literally make it in a public server. You can make it in a private server and save it. And then put it back into a public server. What is that? Why it looks like they made something truly horrific. They made something other than a boat. What even is that? What even? You know what? I'm building a boat. With titanium, of course. Don't mind my keyboard. You know what? I can't use scale because it's broken. And I don't know how to build a boat. So far, so good. So far, not so good. Yeah, this is gonna take a while for me to learn how to actually build a boat. Jet. Yeah, I need some jet engine. I need a jet engine. Wait, what? How does this work? Oh, I have a jetpack. Fly, chicken, fly. Oh, wait, no, I'm actually flying. Fly, chicken, fly. Oh, I'm actually flying. That actually works. Wait, does it even have any fuel? Who is Thunder the Storm? They could have called themselves Thunderstorm. Or Z Thunderstorm. Wait. I'm not even pressing the jump button. Did I discover a new glitch? Oh wait, I could do a motorcycle. That should be fun. Since... Yeah! Motorcycle! Woo! You know what? I'm deleting that jetpack. Woo! I don't know how to control this. I made this like a month ago. Before even my first channel video or my second. Can you help me in the comments in the video, please?